Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been about a week since the last update on what sold on eBay, so I've got just a few things this week that sold. Let's hop into the computer and I'll show you. Alright, so first up is this Olympus Trip AF film point and shoot camera. Nothing too special about it. I picked this up at a thrift store and I paid $2.99 for it. Um, it sat on listing for probably about 2 weeks, and it sold for $19.95. And of that, eBay took $2.49. PayPal fees came to $1.07, and that left us with a net profit of $13.40. Next up is this pair of Levi's 560 denim jeans. And in the last video I shared that I was trying to get into clothes a little bit more. So I picked this up at Goodwill for $6.99. I was looking at comps in the store, so I was fairly confident that this model of Levi's jeans would sell fairly well. There's a bunch of different models that you can find, and I was kind of surprised how well some of them actually do. So I picked these up, and they sold within, I think, 2 days of listing for $19.95 full asking price, and eBay fees came to $2.49, and PayPal fees were $1.07, and that left us with a net profit of $13.40. So definitely keep an eye out for Levi's jeans. Just make sure they're in good condition and check out the comps on the different models so that we have an idea of which ones are going to be more profitable than others. Next up is this pair of BKE men's jeans. It's the Tyler model. BKE is a pretty good brand to pick up. They sell fairly well. I got a ton of views on this as soon as I listed it. I picked this up at a Goodwill for $7.99. It's in pretty good condition. There's some distressing, and I'm not sure if that's factory or not, but I did note that on the listing. I took a best offer of $25. I had it originally listed for $29.95. I probably could have got the full asking price if I held out a little bit longer, but I was okay with selling them for $25. So eBay fees came to $5.04, and PayPal fees were $1.43. So that left us with a net profit of $10.54. BKE jeans are fairly valuable, so keep an eye out for those. And then the last thing that sold is this pair of Uggs and boots, I guess you'd call them. These aren't as desirable as they were a few years ago, but they are still valuable if you can find them in clean condition, and certain models are more valuable than others. These ones were new in the box. Bree had them and wasn't using them. I can't remember if she picked them up at a garage sale. She's had them for a couple of years, so we decided that she would list them, and it took a little while. They were on our listed for I think about a month. So we didn't have any money into it. We had it listed for $120 originally. Ended up dropping it to $109, and then took a best offer of $100 even. eBay fees came to $19.75. PayPal fees were $4.07. So that left us with a net profit of $76.17. So that's going to wrap up this video. Like I said, just a few things that sold this week, but I wanted to share it with you anyways. It's been kind of slow lately. I've been sourcing a lot. I have a lot of things to list, so hopefully we'll get those sales going a little bit more frequently. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Until next time, thanks for watching.